Ipaglaban ang katotohanan hanggang sa huli. Ako po si Father Fiel Pareha at ito po ang ating segment, ang Daily Devotion, na kung saan tayo po ay magdarasal, magbabasa at magdinilay kasama ng salita ng Diyos sa buong taon. Manalangin tayo. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Halina, banal na Espiritu, liwanagan mo ang aming puso at isip nang maunawaan at maisabuhay namin ang iyong salita. Amen. Our Bible passage for today is from the Gospel of St. Mark chapter 6, verses 17 to 29, and I read it for you. For Herod himself had sent men who arrested John, bound him, and put him in prison on account of Herodias, his brother Philip's wife, because Herod had married her. For John had been telling Herod, "It is not lawful for you to have your brother's wife." And Herodias had a grudge against him and wanted to kill him, but she could not, for Herod feared John, knowing that he was a righteous and holy man, and he protected him. When he heard him, he was greatly perplexed, and yet he liked to listen to him. But an opportunity came when Herod, on his birthday, gave a banquet for him, courtiers and officers, and for the leaders of Galilee. When his daughter Herodias came in and danced, she pleased Herod and his guests. And the king said to the girl, "Ask me for whatever you wish, and I will give it." And he solemnly swore to her, "Whatever you ask me, I will give you, even half of my kingdom." She went out and said to her mother, "What should I ask for?" She replied, "The head of John the Baptizer." Immediately she rushed back to the king and requested, "I want you to give me at once the head of John the Baptist on a platter." The king was deeply grieved, yet out of regard for his oaths and for the guests, he did not want to refuse her. Immediately the king sent a soldier of the guard with orders to bring John's head. He went and beheaded him in the prison, brought his head on a platter, and gave it to the girl. Then the girl gave it to her mother. When his disciples heard about it, they came and took his body and laid it in a tomb. Ngayong araw pong ito, ating pong ginugunita ang pagpaslang kay Juan Bautista, ang kanyang pagkamartir, kung papaanong pinugutan siya ng ulo. Si Juan Bautista ay namuhay ayon sa katuruan ng Diyos. Siya ang tagapangaral ng katotohanan. Ang kordero ng Diyos na nag-aalis ng mga kasalanan ng sanlibutan ay ang katotohanang ipinahayag ni Juan. Kaya naman, hindi siya natakot na tuligsain at sabihin ang katotohanan sa harapan mismo ni Herodes at sa lahat ng taong mapang-api at makasalanan. Alam po natin na si Juan ay tumatawag para sa pagbabagong buhay at ang kanyang pangangaral at pagyanig sa konsensya ng ibang tao ay bahagi ng pangaral niya ukol sa katotohanan. Tayo po, nakahanda ba tayong ipaglaban ang katotohanan? Ipahayag ang katotohanan sa ating buhay. Sa panahon po ngayon, nalantaran ng kasinungalingan, garapalan ang pagpapalaganap ng fake news sa social media. Tayo kaya ay magiging isang bagong Juan Bautista na ipangangaral ang katotohanan hanggang sa huli. Na hindi tayo matatakot, na hindi tayo yayanigin dahil alam natin na ang ating ipinapahayag ay ang katotohanan, pawang katotohanan lamang at si Kristo lamang. Nakahanda kaya tayong ipagpatayan ng katotohanan? Magkakatalo-talo. Sino nga ba ang tunay na tagasunod ni Kristo at sino ang mga nagpapanggap na nagpapahayag ng katotohanan? Manalangin tayo. Panginoong Jesucristo, turuan niyo po kami palaging ipahayag ang katotohanan na ipinahayag ni Juan Bautista sa kanyang buhay hanggang kamatayan. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Huwag po ninyong kalimutang i-like ang video ito Mag-comment po kayo and share it with your family and friends. Ang Panalangin Bago Matulog ay may sariling Facebook page na po. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutang mag-like at mag-follow dito, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click niyo lamang po ang link na nasa description ng video ito, o kaya naman po just search Father Fiel Pareha. God bless you po.